Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the SciPy library for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the SciPy library, then it is an open source library in Python used for scientific and technical computing. It is built upon the NumPy and provides a wide range of functionalities through its various modules. So let's see how to install this particular library. So in order to install the library, you need to head on to the terminal and type in the following command, which is pip install scipy. Once you have typed in, you need to hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that the packages are being collected for the scipy library, and after they have been collected, it will be downloaded and installed. And here you can see that after the installation phase, we can see this message which says successfully installed SciPy version 1.15.2. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.